OpenClaw has 378 GitHub stars, and people are already making real money with it. Here are 6 realistic ways, ordered from fastest first dollar to most passive income. Way number 1 is set up services. This is the fastest path to your first dollar. Most people who want to use OpenClaw can't install it themselves. It requires server, Docker, terminal commands, and config files. It's not hard once you've done it, but for a non-technical business owner, it's a wall. You climb it once, and then you charge others to get over it. Basic installation on a VPS with Telegram connected, it's anywhere between $150 and $400. Full custom setup with personality files and use case configuration, $200 to $600. And this is really important. Monthly maintenance retainer, $50 to $150 per month. So how to start with this? First of all, install it yourself using Hostinger's one-click templates. I'll leave a link for you down there showing you all the steps. And all you have to do is to do it a few times until you can finish it in under an hour. And then just list it on Fiverr or Upwork. There's a lot of people, if you just type in OpenClaw and Fiverr, who are doing exactly that. The prices are anywhere between $25 and $100 for it. You can just post a short video showing what you built, and clients will come to you. Now, the retainer is where this compounds. OpenClaw updates regularly. Non-technical clients need someone to keep it running, and that monthly income stacks on top of every new setup you close. All right, way number 2 is managed agent services. Instead of setting up OpenClaw and walking away, you run it for the client every month. A marketing agency pays you $300 a month. You run an agent that monitors their brand mentions, pulls weekly performance data, and drafts content templates. The agent works 24/7, and you spend 30 minutes a week making sure it runs smoothly. Pricing is anywhere between $200 to $500 per client per month. Costs, well, it's around $7 for the VPS and $30 to $100 in API usage. If you have 5 clients at $300, that's $1,500 a month, and it costs around $50. That's strong margins. So, how to start? Just pick one workflow you already understand, and then build it and offer it free to one business for 2 weeks and let the output speak for itself. And then you can charge monthly. Use that case to study to close the next client. Pro tip, it's always good to offer some free value upfront first. Way number 3 is digital products, and this is where you build once and then sell forever. A focused PDF guide walking someone through setting up OpenClaw for one specific use case, something like how to set up OpenClaw for a fitness trainer agent. Well, this sells anywhere between $5 to $49. Template packs go further. Bundle a pre-configured personality file, a user profile, and 3 to 5 niche-specific skills, and you can sell the whole thing for $49 to $99. 20 to 50 copies a month puts you at $1,000 to $5,000 with 0 delivery cost after you build it. Courses are the top end. Udemy already has OpenClaw courses with over 300 students enrolled. Some launched weeks ago. The education market is wide open. Basic setup tutorials exist, but nobody is going deep on niche configurations or business use cases yet, and that's the gap. And what's really beautiful with this is that you can stack affiliate links inside every product. Every guide recommends a VPS and an AI API, and that's recurring commission on top of the product sale itself, which brings us to the way number 4, and that is affiliate marketing. This one stacks on top of everything else and requires no extra work once it's set up. Everyone running OpenClaw needs a server and an AI API key, and that's 2 recurring affiliate commissions for every person you help get started. VPS providers like Hostinger or DigitalOcean both have affiliate programs. Someone signs up through your link, you earn on their monthly subscription, and that's recurrent. A YouTube video called How to Set Up OpenClaw on a VPS in 10 minutes with your hosting link in the description keeps earning months after you publish it. The same content that drives affiliate income also brings setup service clients and sells your digital products. It all feeds itself. Way number 5 is selling skills on ClawHub. Now, skills are packaged instructions that teach OpenClaw how to handle a specific task. The free built-in skills are general. The money is in niche-specific ones. A real estate agent doesn't need a generic research tool. They need something that pulls listings, something that writes descriptions and drafts follow-up emails. A content creator doesn't need a generic writing assistant. They need one that matches their existing voice and posting schedule. Skills sell on ClawHub, OpenClaw's official marketplace, for $9 to $99 each. Now, you can think of ClawHub like the Shopify App Store in 2015. It's still early, there is low competition, but there's real demand. Top sellers earn anywhere between $100 and $1,000 per month from a single well-built skill. 3 skills at a $20 average, that's $600 a month. Now, the best part is that skills are written in Markdown, not code. If you can write clear step-by-step instructions, you can build one. Best-selling categories right now are e-commerce automation, real estate workflows, content creation, legal document drafting, and customer support. Pick a niche where people have money and a specific pain point. The $49 skill that saves professional 3 hours a week sells itself. The last way, number 6, is freelance content writing. Businesses need blog posts. They need product descriptions. They need social captions and email sequences constantly. Most of them pay $300 to $500 per article, and most agencies use AI already. You can use OpenClaw to research a topic, find content gaps across competing articles, and draft a fully optimized piece in minutes. You do the quality pass, you deliver. Just give your agent a prompt like research the top 10 articles ranking for best CRM for small business in 2026. Write a 1,500-word post covering their subtopics plus 3 gaps they missed with headers and meta description. It handles the research and the structure. You handle the relationship and the final edit. Starting income is anywhere between $500 to $2,000 a month for most people. With a strong Fiverr or Upwork reputation, it can go up to $5,000 a month. That's honestly realistic. So, how to start? Just set up OpenClaw with web browsing enabled. Practice on a topic you know well. Create a listing offering AI-assisted SEO articles and price below agencies, and just deliver fast. Collect some reviews and raise rates afterwards. Now, let me be straight about the timeline. In your first month, you're just going to learn the tool. First setup service or first skill listed. Maybe $200 to $500 a month. And then in your third month, with few retainer clients or ClawHub traction, it's going to go to $3,000 a month. It is realistic, but all of these methods require you to learn the skill that you choose first. And of course, it is going to take time. None of these are going to be like get rich quick. After 6 months, when you stack some of these methods together, anywhere between $3,000 to $8,000 a month is achievable for people treating this seriously. The tool is still early. ClawHub is still early. The competition is low and the demand is growing fast. One thing worth knowing, though, is that OpenClaw requires an API key from a model provider like Anthropic or OpenAI, and that costs $5 to $20 a month for light use. Factor that into your pricing from day one. You see, 4 months ago, nobody was selling OpenClaw skills or offering setup services. Now, there is some competition, but still far less than the demand. That window is open, and it won't stay open forever. OpenClaw doesn't just answer questions. It actually does things on your computer 24/7. So now you've got 6 ways. Pick the one that fits where you are right now and start there.